Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. What up, BDS? What up, bro? There we go. We have user ID. Um, Losing train of thought. I just lost complete train of thought. Holy fucking shit. But I regained it back. I'm gonna do some silly shit here. Be even sillier. Actually, we need the direction as well. So we're gonna need the user ID and the direction. And then we need the knockback time. Okay. I'm gonna send the direction last. All right. What are you gonna do for like basic shit? I feel like this could get silly. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Better question. Shit, bro. Shit, it's fucked. Okay. Dude, I don't even know what I'm gonna do for this. I'm just thinking of what I'm gonna do, bro. Okay. Because I don't know if what I'm thinking is silly or not, bro. It's actually like some goofy shit. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I think I'm just gonna do it in in a kind of a silly way, but it's gonna work. So I really don't care. Like it's one of those things, dude, where it really doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm just gonna create functions for each tool. Um, what should I call that? Not a swing, but like what would you call a function for raycasting? By raycast impact. Ray impact impact on raycast result. Boom. That was like 10 minutes of fucking nothing. Holy shit. All right. Trying to think of like the best way for this is. Still some code here. I don't think it's actually. I have to go to GitHub. Go to my slash shot. What is that noise? Spooky shit. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is it. But is that goofy to add a? I mean, it works well. So like, why not? All right. I don't know if I should do this or if I should do definitely not a touched, and that's really what you would do, but maybe like a get parts inbounds or whatever. That might actually work pretty well if I'm keeping it a buck to register hit, but this also does well. Okay. So where's the sword on? Form recast on sword. Perform recast on sword. Is this what I want to do though? Because I can't remember. I mean, it worked pretty well. I've also used this multiple times. So yeah, like, I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna do this. I might call it something else. And I don't know if I'm actually gonna keep this tool thing here. I don't know, because I usually would just run this in the client. I feel like there's not. I just don't know if there's a point in really making a module. It's, but now that I'm thinking about it, I do actually want to make the module mostly for I'm gonna do this instead. Perform recast on parts. Sort is a model though. So oh shit. Now I see what I'm doing. I mean, those are good notes. Fuck it. Shit, where does that start? Where's that start at? Oh, I see. There we go. I don't even honestly need this. This is client code. Yeah, that's a little dramatic if I do to wrap this in a fucking P file. I really only do it in server side logic. I feel like this is just like if it errors, it's not gonna break anything. Okay. What is this error? Oh yeah, because it's like that's like old, isn't it? They're not doing that anymore. Yeah, just because I feel like trying to think of what I'm gonna send here. I guess the hit. Oh, the user ID. So it would be number. So I'm gonna get the user ID and then send the user ID to the server and just register the hit. I'm not even gonna like check or anything. If I mean, I could maybe do a distance check, right? But send send results. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I think that'll be fine. What in the fudgesicles? I don't know. I don't know what that guy's talking about. What up, RZ? What up, bro? What up, Goth? Quick question. You use VS Code. Do you recommend others to use it? Yeah, I recommend you use it like ASAP. For sure. I had a weird situation happen at the start of the stream. I was accidentally streaming or like not streaming. I honestly don't even know. That stream, I guess, got deleted. I, I don't even know. I was trying to stream for like 5 or 10 minutes and I guess I can't even find it. And it's not this stream. So I don't know what the fuck that was about. But whatever. Do you still remember me? Yeah, I do. I remember you. What up? Join VC. Why? Why? Yeah,
Yo,
what's
what's up?
yeah, what's up?
Are you watching Helsing?
Like, yeah. Oh fuck, it is like 12:20. I'm gonna still code for a little bit though.
That
How long have you been scripting for, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh, good question.
who me?
I was talking to Crop Pot.
Yeah, that's a good question. About 50,000 years.
He's been coding for like 4 years,
Okay.
but he doesn't use meta tables, unfortunately.
Try 4 years plus 49,996.
Bro. Bro, do I sound
I've heard
different with my retainers in, bro?
I'm fucking a
Alright.
retard, bro. I'm actually a retard.
I've heard
Hey,
so many people say metatables are
I
useless
don't
and
know
you should
why.
avoid using metatables. But
I don't
aren't
know why I
metatables
found that
used in
so funny.
object-oriented programming? Don't you need metatables in object-oriented programming? And isn't object
Nah, so metatables are a way you can simulate object-oriented programming in Lua because Lua isn't an OOP language.
right?
And I don't know what I don't know what the right name is called. It might start with a D, but I call it linear. So I don't that's like I don't think that's the right term though. But I just call it
Okay.
linear, but nah, yeah, Lua is not a OOP language, so you can
I
simulate
understand.
OOP with metatables, but the thing is you can also simulate OOP with tables and keys. So it's like,
Yeah.
he just doesn't like it because
so
you have
like,
to export your types manually.
yeah, and like anybody that's worked in teams and also works on large projects where they manage a lot of classes and a lot of code is gonna understand that the way metatables work right now, because you have to export your types and it's not default like modules are, it's a big time waster. It adds up, and it can also disrupt workflow. And like when you're in a state of flow on a project, workflow is like super important to productivity. So
Okay.
yeah.
Interesting. I always, from the YouTube video and tutorials that I've seen, they always say use metatables or metatables are necessary for object-oriented programming. I didn't know that there's another way.
Are you are you watching the stream?
Yeah.
All right,
What's up, Dobby?
I'll show you what I'm
Go.
doing that's technically OOP. Yeah.
Bro, that picture you sent me actually had me dying, bro.
The
Like
fucking
what? The
little
pear,
pig, the
bro.
pear, yeah.
Yes, bro.
I fuck with that picture.
I'm gonna save that too. I'm gonna put your watermark on it though.
Bad. That's respectful.
Yo,
Yo,
Is it cool if I record of, like you demonstrating it just for like note taking and stuff?
No, dude, it's not cool
Okay.
actually. I'm very
yo,
offended by
you
that.
yeah,
fucking with
bro.
me,
Yo, actually start charging him right now, bro.
bro.
Okay.
Tucker,
What's up?
stop
Dude, you
playing,
better
bro.
not fucking record me, dude.
Bro, why do you have that crazy
I
name
don't,
still?
I don't know why that's so funny.
Who, me?
I'm having so much
Yes,
fun right
bro.
now, bro. Holy shit.
Bro, I don't know,
Nah,
bro. I don't even know what this means.
Bro, you know damn well what that
Bro.
means. Come on, bro.
Hector, the game is
remove it, bro.
broken.
Like
The
I'm
game is
nibbling on
broken.
carrots, bro.
All right. Yeah, go ahead and record.
I feel
What
like
is
you get in
it?
trouble for
What is
that.
it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What was I
I feel like
thinking
I'm gonna
about?
get canceled for it someday.
Yeah,
Hector,
you
the
could
game
get
is
canceled
broken.
All
for that.
right. Can you hear
What
me
do
in
you
the
mean?
stream? Can you hear me in the stream? Can
Oh,
you hear
never
me in
mind.
the
I was
stream
just
or
Stream.
no?
Stream.
Can you hear me in the stream or no?
Yeah.
Like on the stream, can you hear me?
Bro, what
Yeah,
the
here,
hell? What are you
I'll
fucking?
meet you on Discord.
Yeah, join any elevator.
Can you hear me in the stream, bro? I can't hear you.
RC.
The
Yeah,
goth, the
I can
goth
hear
guy.
you.
Join
You
me
can
real
hear
quick.
me. All right, all right, all right.
Oh, I'm on my
Alrighty.
phone, bro.
No,
All
I
right,
told RZ to join me.
so basically,
Oh,
bro,
he
I'm gonna
can't
deafen
join.
real quick. I'm
Oh,
gonna
it's-
What are
deafen
you
for a
talking
second.
about?
So basically, all right. Oh fuck, I'm in the wrong one. All right, dude. So here's how you simulate object. Or I don't even know if simulate's the right word, bro. My vocabulary is dog shit. But here's how you add a little OOP to your project without using meta tables, all right? And that's what these strings are. So basically, this is a table. Players. We'll actually go over warriors per player because that'll make more sense. And this is a number also. So it should be called warriors per user ID. I could change it to that so it makes a bit more sense when looking back at it, but I just don't really care right now to do it. I'm just, yeah, like anytime I look at this, it might take me a second to realize, but it's like, whatever. Do you know what I mean? Like, I get it really quickly, so it's like, fuck it. Anyways, but that's really what I'm doing. So if we go down to warrior.new, okay, so player is going to be the user ID is going to be the key. So warriors per player.user ID. And then I have a key for the warrior. All right. So warriors per player.user ID. Then the warrior key. All right. And then I'm just keeping data. I'm just storing it. I'm just giving it the data it needs, and that's really it. And then I can go to my spawn method, but it's not a method, it's a function that acts like a method. How does it act like a method, I guess? Well, it again, this key. I'm just using this key to access that specific warrior. So it's really that simple. There's really nothing else to it than that. Just keys, man. Keys, dictionaries. OOP. You know? You know what I mean? Alright, definitely.
Rigs. Actually, yeah, these rigs are fire.
Bro, what the?
They just kick you out?
No, I'm in.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, thank you for the demonstration. It kind of makes sense.
Bro,
Bro, these rigs are sick.
You'll
Do they have
get there.
blues?
You'll get there, bud.
Bro, he's a good UI maker.
Yeah.
yeah.
Who the freak is on this project, bro?
Now,
I don't
for
know
for
why.
unique
I'm just
keys,
having so much
What
fun.
type of
would it
devs did you
have to
guys
be
hire
user
for this,
ID?
bro?
Bro, my slaves, they are my slaves.
It's three
Well,
people.
a key can be
Oh, is this freaking-
anything that you want. So,
First
What's that
tab.
game called?
for me,
What's that game
First tab.
called?
a
Repo.
key is
Repo, yeah, yeah.
like the reason
Bro,
why
give
I'm
me
using
those.
user IDs in these
Give me
keys
those.
is because
That's lit, bro. Is there a repo game on Roblox?
Is
I don't
because
know.
you can't
So it's
send
not better than
player
Oh, press
like
tabs. Yo,
dictionaries
that's
with player
fire. That's actually
instances
fire.
No, that shit's
to the
lit.
client.
It's
You
so
have to
smooth.
use user IDs.
I like that little noise. You guys just use
So
random
I'm just
noises,
using
huh?
user IDs because I
No,
send
that's all
this
made
to
by
the
the sound
client. Like
design.
I said, it should
I
be
know, but
called
like,
warriors per
what is that noise?
user
Sounds like
ID instead
sounds
of
like
warriors
I
per
don't
a
know,
oh the
dude.
player.
toy.
User
It's like
ID is
a
just a
oh
better fit,
yeah.
better name.
There was someone
Now
Walrus
you
was
don't.
showing me how he
You
made his
could
noises,
just
bro. They were
use
goofy.
Oh
player
yeah.
as the
Yeah,
key,
but they
but then
fit.
whenever you get ready to send it over to the client,
He
you have
actually
to
makes his own.
Yeah, like
Plays
I
key.
think
yeah.
it's called serializing.
That's sick.
The third?
You'll have to like go through it and say, hey,
Give me
we're
the
gonna
dang
send
freaking
over
thing,
like
bro.
a different dictionary that we can
Collect.
make
Oh,
real
how
quick.
do I
It's
move
in your
that?
hotbar
Where
now.
we
It's a
replace
consumable.
Oh, I see
player
it. Oh,
with
I just
user
Or
used
ID
it,
with their
you just
user
bro.
use
ID
it,
in
bro.
this
Goofball.
new dictionary that we're about
What
to
the
send
fuck?
over. So you could do
I
it
think
that way.
the
I'm
hotbar
just
is too
like
small.
doing it
Like you can
this
barely
way
see
with
it.
just the
Which
user
one?
ID. So yeah,
The
that's pretty
hotbar.
much it. But
Oh yeah,
a
yeah, I know. We're gonna redo the
key can
UX.
be a key is
The X
just
is pretty cool.
whatever
Oh, I
is
like how when you step
in the
out.
table in the dictionary.
All right, where did
So
I
Bro,
a
go?
how
key
do I
can be a
move the boat?
string, a number,
You have to hold it. Can you not,
How? Oh, I'm an idiot.
an object.
bro?
It can be like a model. It can be an instance.
Dude, what the freak,
I think
bro? What type of
that's
what are
it.
you feeding these devs,
But
bro?
yeah,
Feeding.
am I in a Discord
Yes,
call? I
bro.
am, Angel.
Okay. Thank you
Oh,
so much.
I
Oh
am
shit,
in a
run!
Discord call.
Oh my god, I'm locking you out.
Is it too
bro,
loud?
bro.
Is it too loud? I turned it
Bro,
down.
got the way. Oh, that was you didn't even lock it.
Yeah, we hear them more than you.
Kill
Oh,
him.
that's
So far.
tough. I ain't even
We can't
noticed.
kill him. We can't kill him.
I ain't even noticed.
Where is he?
Yeah.
Oh, run, dog, run. Close the door. Close the door. Bro, how do you hide? Where can we hide? Hide under the table.
They're really loud. Hold on a second. I don't know how to break down a problem into smaller scriptable tasks. What do you mean by that? I'm not sure like what you mean by that, bro. I keep running into is I don't know how to break down a problem into smaller scriptable tasks. Scriptable tasks? I mean, I don't really know what you mean by that, to be honest. You don't need to break everything down. Like, you can just, what am I looking at in the server? Okay, this dude, I feel like has to be AI. I don't understand what these sentences are, like, at all. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, anyways, what was I doing, bro? I got sidetracked like a mug. So this is gonna be the client. Hey, you said it. You said it, not me, bro. You said it. Wild, actually wild. Actually wild, bro. Not gonna lie. Yeah, this is gonna be sent from the client. I just have to keep reminding myself that. And then For example, when it comes to like a coin system, I struggle to find a place to start coding it. I'm not sure all the components needed in that system. Yeah, I know, def not the best way to describe it. Just start making shit, dude. Just stop overthinking. If you're at a point where you don't know like how to make a coin system off rip, then you just and but you know the basics of programming, then you just need to start doing shit and start making shit and stop overthinking it. Stop overthinking it and just do the simplest, get the simplest version out that's working. That's really what you should do. Earlier, I asked whether people should use or stay away from VS Code, and you said use it. I was wondering if you could say why, what makes it a better option than normal coding on Roblox Studio. That's probably the most asked question on these streams. I say basically Roblox Studio is a game is like a game engine. Roblox Studio was made to develop games on specifically Roblox. Roblox Studio is not an IDE or a code editor. The only functionality that VS Code has is to write code. That's it. It revolves around writing code. So that kind of explains it, I think, enough to where it might make sense. It's really that simple. I don't want to get into, I mean, there's a shit ton, there's dozens of benefits that you get by using this, but none of that's going to really make sense to you until you try it yourself and get used to it. And once you get used to it and you're comfortable with it, then you can see, okay, why is this better? Might take like a few days to a week to get comfortable with it, unless you're like a straight up beginner, maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, just look up B Ricey, VS Code, Rojo, Roblox. B Ricey. Rice. All right. I need to lock in, dude. Fuck that. Fuck that function. Can I do player wait for child backpack? Backpack. Backpack. Let's open up. Bro, what am I doing? What am I saying right now? Holy shit. Rob will help me conceptualize better as well the more I do it. What the fuck are we talking about, bro? You know damn well that my vocabulary is not up to that level. Conceptualize, bro? Like what is you talking to the wrong one, buddy. Holy shit. Talking to the wrong one. What am I doing? What am I doing? Tool added, bro. What? But why am I doing tool added? What am I trying to accomplish here? Okay. Like if I have a tool in the starter pack, I mean, yeah. So yeah. I don't know why, but I think I've had issues with backpack.child added before that I never solved. and it made no sense, and that's just how it worked. I could be totally wrong about this. We can test this though. What we can do is we can just have we can do two different tests here. We can add something to the starter pack, so a tool. We'll name it cranberry. And then we can oh shit. This is not the right studio. Fuck. Oh, so we're laughing games? We think we can laugh and get away with it? Is that what's happening right now? I'm trying to think of studio. I'm like looking for studio. It's not there. Why? I just closed out of it. Holy Charizap. Jesus H. Christ. All right. So I'm going to Roho this mug. Rohoed. And I'm going to connect. And what we're going to do, just as a test, we're going to add a tool. We're going to call it Cranberry. We're then going to I don't like this, bro. Like this is what I have to do just because I put this here. Come on. Let's see if it does. Yeah, no, it's not. Whatever. Doesn't matter. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm supposing we're gonna do get children. All right, now let's go ahead and get this mug up in here. Up in here. Up in here. Can't sing songs on YouTube or else they freaking copyright your streams and don't show them to anybody. Pretty fucking insane, honestly. Up in here. Up in here. Okay. Tool.init client. Let's see if this works. And honestly, if it does, I don't know how. Because I'm just goofy as hell. Okay. It didn't print shit. Awesome. And I see I see why. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. All right. Up in here, up in here. I don't think we'll need players here, but you know, whatever. Let's go. So it didn't print, and let's see if it's in our backpack. It is in our backpack. Okay. I'm still testing the whatchamacallit. The mother effing forgot the name of it. Anyways, okay, so it was in our backpack. And now I'm kind of like, what should I do for this? I can't remember what the issue was either, dude. Like, I can't remember why the child added event on the backpack just doesn't fucking work. But, I mean, it's like whatever. What we can do instead, I'm just gonna like comment this out. This part right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna comment this out because I don't know. I might explore it at a later date, but that's just not working. I don't fucking add it. All right. So what we're gonna do instead is local character. Um, where dot character added connect functions. Actually, yeah, this is what we want to do. Character added connect function. And then we'll have like sure, we'll just have it equal nil. Can we question mark nil? All right. Character. So we'll have all right, so we're gonna do this and we're gonna say child is a tool. Then child that activated connect function. Okay. We're going to say if child dot name equals I don't even know, what are we going to call this? Club, then tool dot perform raycast. Ooh, this is interesting. Because now we're actually going to have to send. Oh, man. I don't know. I mean, we could do this. It's pointless, though, if we do that. We're just going to do this for now. We're just going to do this for now. All right, cool. Child. Local model equals child find first. Child of class model. Okay. And then we're going to put model there. All right, bet. Could just do this too, if not. Because we're only going to be running this. Just to get rid of a little indent, you know what I mean? Just we're pyramiding. We're pyramiding right now. We don't want that. All right. And then we'll have tool dot send result. Yeah. Cool. Hmm. I don't know if this is goofy. I'm just like, fuck it though. Like it'll work. I'm certain it'll work. Fires right before a player's character is removed. Got you. So that's what we're gonna use, basically. Um, whoa. I'm doing this inside of this. Okay. Because why not? Might be goofy, but like I don't even care, honestly. Just manual cleanup, I guess, dude. You know? Um, Manual cleanup, I guess. Can we even test this yet? I really have no idea. Like, I'm gonna try it. So no, we can't. Hold on. Oh, did it go to our character? It did, didn't it? Yeah, it did. All right. I don't know, kids. I don't know. I don't use Team Create really. Team Create sucks. Kinda confused here, to be honest. Because I feel like this already should be working. Yo, what up, Derp? What up, bro? Bro, am I goofy for this? Am I goofy for this right here, bro? I feel like I am. I don't really care though. I'm just trying to do something fast and it's not really going well. Unk don't know you, Derp. Yo, what? Sinners, that's crazy. What am I up to? Shit, dude, I don't even know, bro. Like, just latest fuck coding. I wasn't even supposed to stream until this late. I'm probably gonna end here soon, but I'm just creating some random ass mechanics, trying some random ass method I've never tried before just to see if it works. And clearly I'm doing something wrong here. Oh, wait, okay. I think I got it, dude. I think that's because it's a studio situation. It's a studio situation. What are you doing though, Derp? Am I high, dude? What? Dude, I don't think I should answer that. Yeah, I don't want to answer that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is if player dot character, then boom. That's what we're gonna do. And I think that this is fine right here. That should be fine. Let's see if this works, bro. All good. Can I see some gameplay though? I mean, there is no gameplay really. It's freaking not working, dude. Am I connected? I am connected. It's not working, bro. I feel like it should work. Although it is goofy what I'm doing, I still think it should work. If not, run service is client, then return. That can't be why, but I'm just gonna remove it for now. Although I don't want the server to run this, but yeah, the server's not even running this. I don't know why I put that there, honestly. I only put that there for server shit. This right here. Let's just print child, see if we actually get this connected. I don't know why it wouldn't be connected, honestly. Yeah, I don't know why that's doing that. To freaking keep it a buck 59, 8,000. Like, dude, if I just did this literally in this script right here, then it would be fine. I wonder if it's because of this stupid ass shit I'm doing right here, but that really wouldn't make any sense whatsoever. I'm genuinely flabbergasted. What up, Zom? I ain't even see your shit. I'm gonna ask the good old ChatGPT. Actually, I'm only gonna ask ChatGPT this part. The good old why is this not working? Just to see what it comes up with. Activated before the tool is actually equipped. What? What is it saying? Hold on. Tool activated only fires on the client. This is the local script, bro. I'm using this function on the client, dude. You goddamn bastard. What else am I gonna talk to it about? What the fuck is this, bro? Honestly. I mean, this is ridiculous, like code I've never done before, but I feel like there's literally nothing here keeping it from working. I'm spending too much time on this freaking stupid shit, bro. What is happening? I don't get it. I actually like am so flabbergasted. Let's just see if it even fucking gets this, I guess. If it doesn't, then we know we have a problem. Alright, so it does get that. Character.child added. I mean, I'm assuming it's this. Maybe this is the wrong type. That wouldn't make any sense. It being the wrong type, we'd be getting fucked right now. By fucking the warnings. Okay, so now, so it was the fact that we had that as variables, bro. That genuinely don't make no sense to me, dude. Like, at the fuck all. I'm just gonna do this. Make it local. Make it local. I feel like that should work now, bro. Maybe that was our issue. But hold on, the activated isn't working. The activated isn't working. This is working now, okay. The activated isn't working. What was ChatGPT talking about? It said something. What the fuck is all this weird pixelation bullshit with my screen? Alright, so what about activated? Okay, I'm just gonna say this. I don't know what it's talking about. Like dead ass. Child added only triggers for newly parented tools. For newly parented tools. If the new players spawn already holding the tool, child added will never run for it, so you never have to activate it. Run a pass on character get children when character added fires to catch pre-existing tools. What? What is it talking about? Favorite Roblox game out? All-Star Tower Defense. Dude, I'm actually flabbergasted right now. I think it's honestly on some fuckery. Your code uses one global. If the player equips a second tool, it will replace the first connection, meaning only the newest tool can trigger activated. What the fuck are we talking about, dude? You're not being helpful, ChatGPT. I mean, that is cool, like using, like, go ahead, use your dictionary and shit of connections. But that shouldn't, like, you're not helping me solve the problem, though. I'm just gonna remove that space. It's, like, not needed. If child is not a tool. Okay. Oh, see, it's a studio. It's some studio bullshit, bro. As I fucking suspected. Like, what do we have to do here, bro? Add some corny weights? Like, Jesus. I'm just gonna add some corny weights just to see what happens. Just to see what happens, bro. Just to get it working just a tiny bit. See, that doesn't even, like, what in the mother F? Oh, yeah, I removed the print. I'm retarded. Duh. Okay. And it's still not working, though, so... It's definitely on our person. I mean, I just have no gosh dang idea. Did we print? We did print the tool, yeah. We we print the tool. Do you have to have, can you not activate a tool if it doesn't like have shit in it? Well, that's not working. Oh, cause it's not local. This is ridiculous, honestly, bro. Dude, what is happening here? Am I fucking retarded? I've never had this much trouble with tools, bro. Isn't that like, I guess so in order for you to activate it, I'm assuming it needs to be an actual tool. So what we're gonna fucking do, okay? Holy crud biscuits. Like we're just gonna add in a fake freaking tool, man. Awesome. Our fire isn't printing though. Oh, did we delete it? We deleted it. Alright, so it was working the whole time. It's just I'm fucking an idiot. And I just didn't set up an actual tool. Cool, bro. Get rid of these stupid little stop weights. I was like, bro, this I know for a fact this is not like this is gonna work, so I don't know. Yeah, I was just tripping though. Alright, that's easy peas, bro. That's easy peasy. Now we just play an animation. All right, cool. I think we also need to set this actually up in a in a heartbeat. Or like not a heartbeat, but a pre-simulation, I think it's called now. All right, I am gonna get off though. So yeah, that was kind of a waste of fucking time. Holy shit. Did I not already save this, bro? Like, I thought I already saved it. I guess I didn't. All right. I will see everybody later. Everybody have a good night. Yeah. Peace out.